Alright, so this is a 201 Crown Victoria, and this seat belt latch here, this, right there, when you try to put or lock the seat belt, it's not locking. I mean, it stops and doesn't go in, okay? And I tried several different ways of doing this, and there's just actually no way to fix this. This one, at least, I've seen other people, with other videos with this and that, but that doesn't work on this one. So to replace this is the one I had taken off, and I'm gonna get a new one later. But anyway, you just come over here to the seat and move it forward, all the way forward. Okay. Then you come back over here, and the seat is already all the way forward. And you see, I already put this one back in there. But here, just take this bolt off. It's an 18 millimeter. And I happen to have a stubby little, wrench or socket to take it out. So anyway, just take this out and just pull it off right there. And over here, okay, let me start it at least. There you go. Anyway, right there, there's the plug right there. See it? You see it? There's the plug. So just hit that little tab and pull. And when you put the replacement in, just put it back in there. Okay? And then tighten this up. I'm going to have to go look at the specs, but to tighten this up like it's supposed to. But that's it. Just move the seat up. If you don't move the seat up, you're going to have, a headache. So move the seat all the way up and take this 18 millimeter off. And yeah, you need a stubby though to take it out of there. Like this, see? I just happen to have this little stubby. It fits perfectly. Okay? So I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to have to check what the torque is on that. But I'm sure it's going to be, it is a seat belt, and it should be pretty tight. And that's it. That's it to replace that belt buckle on the driver's side. And of course the left side, you see, on the left side is right there. Same thing. Just take it off and replace it. And the plug, if you follow the black thing there, you'll see there's a plug right there. Okay, and that's all I need to do. And then when you're done, just move the seat back. Real simple. But if you haven't seen one of these, then obviously you'd like to see one on YouTube.